And Ron, some people in our area are busy cleaning up after the storm damage this morning, but you're saying that the wind is going to die down fairly soon here.
Well, it looks like between about 1 and 2 o'clock, Lindsay, we're going to see a much different day shaping up for the rest of the day as those winds calm down. Now, temperatures are going to be mid to low 50s, and you can see the winds right here, including Washington. Wind gusts coming in at 43 miles an hour, but that does look to be one of the stronger areas. You can see Somerset also at 46. Here's the good news. Not only do we have those numbers coming in from the wind gusts, we also have shaded in. You see the darkest of the purple color right here? This is going to be the core of those winds, and it is continuing to move off to the east. So that's good news for everyone else as we're starting to see some lighter winds rolling in. In fact, look at the Cambridge area. Their wind gusts are down to 22 at this time. In places like even the Wheeling area that saw some strong winds earlier, their wind gusts now down to 32 miles an hour also. So here's a look at those wind gusts that we have seen first thing this morning, including Pittsburgh International coming in at 49 miles an hour. Now, this is kind of a snapshot of what we had seen strong winds about 2 hours ago. So still waiting on the latest update with the strongest winds that we've seen. But this should be pretty close. West Mifflin, look at that, 58 mile an hour wind gusts recorded, 54 in Butler County. Beaver Falls also showing a 52 mile an hour wind gust coming in. Washington County Airport also coming in for a fairly strong 46 mile an hour wind gusts. So because we have the chance for strong winds over the course of the afternoon, we do have the wind advisory through 6 o'clock. That's where winds could exceed 50 miles an hour. And we also have the high wind warning that's still in effect for some places, but you'll notice they're starting to cancel it just off to the west, just west of Cambridge. But we still do have some high wind warnings through 6 o'clock. Once again, I really think that they're going to be canceling these advisories at around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Likely as we're heading into the evening or afternoon commutes, we will be looking at us being watch and advisory and warning free at that point. Why are we seeing this? Well, we have a big upper low that has swept through, and the cold front, the wake of that, behind that we have strong winds that are setting up and mixing its way down to the surface. Radar's dry, should be dry the rest of the day. What about temperatures? Well, we're down to the mid-50s at this point with mostly cloudy to overcast skies, and winds are still strong. There's your forecast for the rest of the day. We've already seen the high. I think we'll be into the mid to low 50s for the rest of your day. Temperatures should be back into the 60s for highs on Saturday, but just briefly is what it looks like at this time. We will be looking at 68, though, your expected high. I can't rule out some drizzle. Will be cloudy as well on Saturday, so just know I put in a 20% chance for maybe a little drizzle on Saturday. Sunday, rain showers are going to be around about ½ inch of rain expected. 66, your expected high. Cooler, but sunny on Monday.